Contract Terminology and Introduction to ABIC. Module Overview. This module provides an in-depth exploration of the specific terms and conditions found in standard construction contracts, focusing on the ABIC Simple Works contract as a key example. The content includes explanations of contract schedules, key terms, and conditions, aiming to enhance the architect's understanding of their role in administering construction contracts. It offers a foundational perspective on how these contracts function in practice, preparing architects for effective administration and dispute resolution. Introduction to Contract Terminology and ABIC. Introduction to Construction Contracts. Contracts are a fundamental part of project delivery within the construction industry. The Australian building industry contracts are a suite of standardized agreements that cater to various types of construction projects. These contracts, developed jointly by Master Builders Australia Limited and the Australian Institute of Architects, are written in plain English to balance the interests of contractors, principals, and other stakeholders, promoting efficient project delivery while minimizing conflicts. Updated Suite of Contracts. In 2018, the ABIC suite underwent updates to ensure they remain effective tools for project delivery. These contracts, including versions like Simple Works and Major Works, are suitable for residential and non-residential projects with varied levels of complexity. ABIC Contracts Explained. Understanding the ABIC Contract Suite. Types of ABIC contracts. ABIC offers several contracts tailored to meet different project scopes and requirements. The suite includes Basic Works Contract, typically used for smaller, straightforward construction projects where simplicity and clarity are paramount. Early Works Contract, primarily used to initiate critical tasks prior to the commencement of the main construction work. Simple Works Contract, designed for less complex projects. This contract is administered by an architect and involves a clear allocation of roles and responsibilities. Major Works Contract, suitable for more intricate construction projects, involving a detailed set of provisions to address potential complexities. Each type of contract is structured to be relevant to specific types of construction needs, and their application should be chosen based on project size, complexity, and other relevant factors. Simple Works Contract. Overview of Simple Works Contract. The ABIC Simple Works Contract is designed to handle smaller scale construction projects, generally valued at less than $3 million. This contract is suitable when the architectural and administrative requirements are straightforward and do not necessitate the more elaborate provisions found in larger contracts. Architect as Contract Administrator. A central feature of the Simple Works Contract is that the architect assumes the role of contract administrator. This means they are responsible for ensuring that the project progresses in compliance with the contractual terms and also helps in mediating disputes and making impartial decisions. When to use it. This contract is ideal for projects of a limited scale where simplicity in administrative procedures is desired. It works well for construction where the architect is involved throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring adherence to timelines and quality benchmarks. Major Works Contract. Overview of Major Works Contract. The ABIC Major Works Contract caters to projects of larger complexity and scale. It incorporates additional clauses and conditions to manage potential issues that arise in major construction endeavors. Key areas include urgent instructions, the need to make immediate decisions to prevent delays. Encroachments, addressing situations where project components cross boundaries, requiring negotiation and remediation. Multiple contractors, coordinating multiple contractors and subcontractors to work effectively under one unified schedule. Dispute resolution, providing more detailed procedures for resolving disputes, ensuring transparency and fairness. Appropriate use. The Major Works Contract should be used for significant non-residential projects. However, it is not intended for projects where the property owner will reside in the completed structure. Supporting resources, ABIC User Guides. What are user guides? The ABIC user guides are supplementary documents created to help architects, clients, and contractors understand and properly utilize the ABIC contracts. They are particularly valuable for individuals without extensive experience in construction projects, providing clarity on often complex legal and procedural requirements. Key features. These guides provide plain English explanations of contractual terms, making them accessible to a wider audience. Use flowcharts and step-by-step instructions that mirror the contract structure, ensuring a logical and user-friendly guide through each phase of project administration. Importance in practice. The guides are especially useful in projects involving the simple works contract, where stakeholders such as property owners might not have construction background. They help bridge the knowledge gap, ensuring everyone understands their role and obligations. Structure of the Simple Works Contract. The ABIC Simple Works Contract has a well-defined structure that aligns with the natural progression of a construction project. Each section of the contract is designed to address specific project phases, ensuring that responsibilities, timelines, and processes are clearly documented. 1. Parties and project details. This section outlines the identities of all involved parties, contractor, client, and architect, and includes essential project information like the site address and a brief description of the work to be executed. 2. Contract documents and special conditions. Lists all the documents that form part of the agreement, such as specifications, plans, and any additional conditions that might be added to modify standard terms. 3. Pre-construction obligations. This section lays out the requirements each party must fulfill before construction begins. These obligations include site access arrangements, obtaining necessary permits, and ensuring insurance coverage is in place. 4. Responsibilities during construction. Details the duties of all involved parties while construction is ongoing. This includes ensuring safety, maintaining open lines of communication, and the architect's role in regular site inspections to verify compliance. 5. Variations and changes. Changes during construction are inevitable. This section outlines how variations to the scope of work should be managed, including their impact on costs and completion times. 6. Payment procedures. This part details how payments are to be made, including progress payments, submission schedules, and payment for variations. It ensures clarity and financial transparency throughout the project. 7. Dispute resolution. Provides a structured approach to resolving disputes, from initial negotiation to mediation and arbitration if necessary. These processes aim to resolve disagreements in a manner that is fair and efficient. 8. Termination of the agreement. Outlines how and under what conditions either party may terminate the contract, whether due to a failure to meet obligations or other circumstances. Understanding construction contract terminology. Construction contracts rely on specific terminology to avoid ambiguity and ensure clear communication between all parties. Below, we discuss some key terms that appear in the ABIC Simple Works contract. 1. Contract document. Refers to all documents that collectively form the agreement, including schedules, specifications, and tender documents. This definition ensures all relevant materials are part of the legally binding contract. 2. Contract price. This is the total sum agreed upon for completing the project, subject to variations. This value is established upfront but may change depending on modifications or unforeseen circumstances during construction. 3. Practical completion. Marks the point at which the work is sufficiently complete and can be used for its intended purpose, although minor defects may still need rectification. Achieving practical completion is crucial as it affects payment schedules and the transfer of risk from contractor to owner. 4. Prime cost sum. A specified allowance for materials or work where the exact details are not known at the time the contract is signed. It is essentially a placeholder that will be adjusted once final decisions are made regarding materials or suppliers. 5. Security. Security provisions serve as financial guarantees to protect the owner if the contractor fails to meet their obligations. In the simple works contract, this can take the form of cash retention or unconditional guarantees. The architect's role in contract administration. The architect plays a pivotal role in the administration of the simple works contract, acting both as an advisor to the client and an impartial overseer of the construction process. Key responsibilities include contract administration, managing the implementation of contract terms, ensuring both the owner and contractor fulfill their obligations, impartial certification, evaluating progress claims and issuing certificates that confirm work completion stages, ensuring the contractor is paid fairly for work done. Risk management, identifying potential risks and communicating them effectively to the owner to take preventive measures. The architect's role must be carried out with integrity and impartiality, balancing the interests of both the client and contractor to maintain project harmony. Security in construction contracts. Purpose of security. The purpose of security is to provide a financial safety net, ensuring that contractual obligations are met. This could be either cash retention, where a portion of the contractor's payment is withheld until practical completion, or unconditional guarantees from a financial institution. Architect's responsibility regarding security. The architect ensures that all aspects of security provisions are adhered to and that funds are managed appropriately. This role is crucial to maintaining project accountability and ensuring all financial protections are in place for both the contractor and the owner. Conclusion: the importance of the client-architect agreement. The client-architect agreement is a foundational document that outlines all aspects of the architect-client relationship, ensuring clarity in expectations and responsibilities. Through well-defined roles, precise costs, timelines, and transparent communication, the CA fosters a positive working relationship, paving the way for successful project outcomes. Architects must deeply understand and apply all aspects of this agreement, ensuring it effectively guides the construction process from inception to completion.